everybody. My name is Madeline Walker-Miller, and I am the founder of NexTiles. NexTiles is a Detroit-based textile recycling company that specializes in diverting pre-consumer manufacturing waste from landfill. I started this journey in 2019 as a student at the University of Miami's School for Marine and Atmospheric Science with no real marine science background. And I worked to wrap my mind around this idea of microplastics and other materials that were plaguing water bodies and oceans. In the process of this, I became aware of the major contribution that the apparel and automotive sectors make to landfill waste, and that is how NexTiles was born. To give context around how much waste is landfilled, globally, 80% of textiles are doomed for landfill or incineration at end of life, and landfill textiles can take up to 200 years to decompose. During this decomposition process, the fibers leak harmful chemicals and dyes that, on one hand, contribute to landfill gas, and on the other hand, contaminate our soil and water resources. And the worst part about this is that textile consumption is expected to increase 63% by 2030. NexTiles is a part of the solution. So our model is that we pick up textile waste from local fashion and automotive manufacturers, and we are working to convert that waste into low-dust, eco-friendly building insulation. Our process is shown a bit on this slide, and so an industrial shredder is used to convert the collected automotive foam, in this case, to loose fill insulation. And so the input is a molded automotive foam, and the output is a shredded material comparable to a blown-in cellulose. And our minimum viable insulation product is just that. It is a low-dust shredded automotive foam to be used in wall cavities, attic floors, and ceilings. And we're really excited about this because insulation is the most cost-effective recommendation for reducing heating and cooling bills and slowing greenhouse gas emissions. The U.S. building insulation market is growing, and the reasons for that are that building codes are becoming stricter. So structures are requiring more insulation, and retrofitting is at an all-time high, retrofitting to slow greenhouse gas emissions. And so NexTiles is looking to capture a really small portion of the U.S. single-family housing market with our product. And this is also exciting for us because President Biden's clean energy plan includes weatherizing 4 million commercial buildings and retrofitting 2 million homes, which will create at least 1 million good-paying green jobs. And so for us, this means that in the near future, using textiles and recyclables in building and construction products will become the norm. And so the Midwest is a really good area to market this product to. It has older housing stock than much of the country. And in Detroit specifically, 60% of the city's housing stock was built before 1970, which poses a really good opportunity for insulation upgrades. We are aware of several competitors that produce a insulation product that they market as sustainable. However, when we bring our product to market, it will have the highest content of recyclable material, and we are confident that we'll be able to secure all of the certifications on this slide, plus others that we are aware of. In terms of our revenue model, we sell textile waste pickup services to local businesses for up to $2 a pound, depending on where a business is in relation to our warehouse. And we're looking to sell our insulation at a target price point of $1.40 per square foot. And we're really confident in that because right now we are receiving our feedstock at no cost. This month, we will focus on ASTM testing to bring the product to market, starting with E84, which is a flame spread test. We look to purchase a small industrial shredder to process our regular client waste and our new automotive feedstock, and to ultimately launch manufacturing at the end of the year. And we're looking for $100,000 to do so. So here's a breakdown of the costs associated with us purchasing equipment, training our textile waste specialists, and starting a pilot manufacturing run. And that is all from me. I thank you guys for listening, and I'll open for questions now.